Introducing Jindal Hunting Energy Services Limited, JHESL, a groundbreaking joint venture between Jindal SAW and Hunting Energy Services. Standing at the forefront of India's pursuit for energy self-reliance, our new manufacturing hub in Nashik is poised to revolutionize India's energy landscape. India currently imports around 80% of their oil. To reduce that figure, $24.1 billion will be spent on exploration and production in the coming years. With state-of-the-art manufacturing technology and equipment, our Nashik facility is the first in India capable of producing and supplying customers with the widest range of premium connections, tubular and casing. Diameters range from 2 3/8 inches to 36 inches. Jindal SAW offers raw material pipes and coupling stock, complemented by Hunting Energy Services Seal Lock premium connections, specifically engineered to excel in the most extreme and demanding well conditions. We have an end-to-end supply chain and a production system that's designed for zero waste. And we're the first company in this field manufacturing local content as part of the government's Make in India initiative, promoting India as a premium global manufacturing destination. As well as serving India's growing domestic market, our nearby strategic shipping location of Mumbai offers great export options and is a gateway to international markets, especially the Middle East and Africa. Jindal Hunting Energy Services Limited is in a unique position to support India's oil and gas industry, both today at the dawn of this new era and in the future, as a vital part of India's energy transition of tomorrow. This is just the beginning of what India can offer the world. JHESL, igniting success, revolutionizing India's energy future.